So Dave Warner, 4 runs away from a triple century, 4 runs away from the highest score at this ground in a test match. As Warner goes back, pulls this one. It's to the right a bit on. The pink ball is racing out to the boundary in front of the scoreboard. And that very scoreboard is about to put up 300. David Warner sprints back down the pitch, lunges in the air and gives it a double bunger. Raises his arms in pure delight. Kisses the badge on the helmet, jumps in the air again. He is not out 300 from 389 deliveries. What a knock, what a moment. Australia 3 for 537. And Warner has well over half of them rummies. Raja, what an innings, what a performance.
Yeah, I mean, you got to stand up and applaud the man. Not only for his stamina and his running between the wickets and his footwork, but the application. It's no mean achievement. This really is huge from Warner. And a moment to cherish. And what a moment for the fans as well. Because this has been regal knock. Really has been imperious innings from Warner.
Grandstand